Hi my rosebuds! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a t-shirt transformation wherein I transformed this into a twisted crop top. I hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy watching! First thing is removing both sleeves. Then, I mark the t-shirt at the middle part. Then, drawing a straight line to those marks. Then, I open the sides of the t-shirt by removing the side seams. I also open cut the middle line of the t-shirt at the front piece only, but it was a mistake and I will tell you why later. Then I mark 3 to 4 inches at the center of the t-shirt as a guide for our twist later. This is the mistake that I'm telling you for cutting the center front. You must mark it first before cutting it. And this is the fun part, twisting the t-shirt to return to its original form. I also put the pins diagonally as a guide for our sewing. As you can see, I'm not satisfied at the result of the twist, so I adjust it and sew it again until I'm satisfied. I also removed the neckband of the t-shirt to form a plunging neckline. also adjust the shoulder part because the twist is too low on me. This process depends on your t-shirt because this t-shirt is so large on me. That's why I adjust it. But if your t-shirt is fitted on you, then no need for your adjustment. Then I cut the excess fabric at the bottom of the shirt, and don't forget to add seam allowance. Then I reshape the armpit area because I plan to put back the sleeves. Also make sure that the sleeves is the same size as the new armpit before putting it back. I also made a mistake in this part. You must close first the side seams before attaching back the sleeves. And I hope you learn from these mistakes. I also saw a zigzag stitch at the side seams to secure the stitches. And the last part is hemming the raw edges. And we're done! It's a little bit loose at the side seam, but it's just a minor adjustment. I feel sexy in this twisted crop top. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so you won't miss my coming more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!